This is The Briefing, a podcast presented by Mussio Goodman Law Firm.
So what happened is, usually before the new system was put in place, if an insurance company that is providing extended health benefits, so paying for prescription or treatment, those sort of things, or covering short-term or long-term disability, they used to have the opportunity under the legislation, under the common law, under contract law, that they could subrogate, which means they could get their money back from ICBC. Now, that seems unusual. That why would ICBC be the one that has to pay for all these costs? So what happened is, and I believe this is a good decision on the part of the NDP government, what they did was they put in rules that prevent these private insurance companies from subrogating, but the problem is they didn't put in all the legislation necessary. So the end result is that most of these insurance companies have taken the unusual step of changing around their contracts or their policies and procedures, whereby if you're in a motor vehicle accident that's at no fault of your own, that you no longer are entitled to get any benefits whatsoever. So here's an individual that has been paying premiums to an insurance company for their extended health benefit that can no longer access it. And so they're at the mercy of ICBC paying for it. But of course, ICBC on the other side is saying, well, hold on, you need to go after these benefits through your private insurance. So the poor innocent victim is the injured party that is caught between the two fights. So it's a simple point that the government could easily change the rules, the Insurance Act, whereby all they have to do is limit the ability of the insurance companies to change their policies and procedures, so they basically prejudice against injured parties, and they have to pay out these benefits. ICBC would win. The injured party would no longer be compromised. It seems like the obvious solution, but right now it's what's happening now is of course the injured person is the one that's most impacted by this new legislation, which was not put in properly in my respectful view.